What's up, guys, and welcome back to Practical Investments. The Clarity Act is in process of being passed September 15th, but will we get it? And is this run actually worth buying into? So let's talk about it. So, as we all know, the Clarity Act is in process of being passed by Congress and by Senate. Senate will vote September the 15th, 2026. So, about a good month now. What's today? Yeah, about a good month now from now. And yeah, as that's been going on, we have a lot of people dumping money into the market, more specifically the cryptocurrency market. So we got to see what's going on with that. So let's get into the news real quick. The long-stalled Clarity Act cryptocurrency bill is heading to a pivotal Senate procedural vote scheduled for September 15th. Hopes and market optimism surrounding Clarity Act and a broader White House crypto push recently injected tens of billions of dollars into the cryptocurrency market, helping drive the market surge alongside U.S. Treasury bond buyback announcements. Asset rallied. Bitcoin prices jumped 77%, backed by institutional inflows. Short covering and policy discussions. Stock reactions. Shares of major crypto-linked companies and exchanges, such as Coinbase and digital asset holders, saw bumps between 7 and 30% following upbeat White House meetings. Legislative push. President Trump and industry leaders have pushed for the passage of Clarity Act, which faces upcoming Senate procedural vote scheduled for September 15th. Here's my thing though, guys, right? We all know this. We know this is happening. But how many times, this is not me being pessimistic, right? This is about me just being real with you guys. How many times have we seen these particular bills or things with Trump that has not backfired but stalled? We can go to the tariffs. We thought the tariffs were going to work for us in 2025. They're still ongoing now. He's still putting tariffs on Canada, Mexico, et cetera, et cetera. As of right now, as of yesterday, right? We talk about the war with Iran with the import export business. He's trying to take over the Strait of Hormuz. They're fighting back. They're creating barriers so he can't do that. This thing has been going on for a long time. So, constant yes, constant no's, constant waits, constant this, constant ups, constant downs. Also, the Genius Act that got passed earlier, I believe, last year. I think early this year or sometime last year. They had issues too. They had some pushbacks. As you can see here, after facing a brief procedural hurdle and temporary resistance in 2025, when some Republicans temporarily voted against Democrats, President Trump intervened to secure the necessary votes, and the bill successfully passed the Congress before being signed into law. So all of these other bills and all these other acts and all these other goals that President Trump has tried to push through has not gone smoothly, and we all know this. So what are the chances of us getting a smooth Clarity Act bill passed through the first time? I doubt it. And, I don't want to make this video negative or pessimistic, but I don't want to get you guys' hopes up to think we're going to go to all-time highs, we're going to go here, go there. I don't believe so. And this is why my powder is dry right now, and I'm not anticipating anything above, I don't know, maybe 90,000. I honestly don't know. Anything can happen. Yes, there's money being piled into the market, but to get past all this red here to all-time highs, I don't see where the money could possibly come from. There's a possibility. I always want to be optimistic. I want you guys to win, but I don't want to give you guys false hope. So with that being said, my powder is dry right now. I'm waiting for newer lows. No matter how high we get, I'm not going to have FOMO. I'm not going to jump into this market and try to, turn dollar out of 15 cents or, get crumbs. I'm going to wait for the big move. And I think right now, this is not it. Again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they all kind of look the same. A lot of red. They have to jump through. We got even, Doge and Solana here. Same thing. A lot of red. Do we have the momentum to push through all of this? I don't know. I really don't know. Cardano, same thing. Everybody's favorite coin is up, but again, it's sitting against a whole lot of red. Look at that. XRP. You guys name it. So I'm not very optimistic we can get past all of this red right now. But in the future, absolutely we can. Again, not being negative and also not financial advice, but my opinion, what I'm planning on doing is holding and waiting out for the big run. If I'm wrong, that's still great because we'll still make money. If I'm right, that's fine as well because the delay is going to create a lot of people that are wealthy. So hold on to everything, guys. Make smart decisions in the market and just be smart with your money. I think eventually we're all going to get paid. So with that being said, y'all please let me know what y'all think. Are we in it for a run now? It's going to be a later. What do you guys think? Like, subscribe, share, and I'll holla. Peace.